I was sent this stainless steel chafing dish set and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So here we go. There is going to be 4 of these sets in this case. This is a 4-pack that I have here. We are having a birthday party tomorrow, and there's going to be a bunch of different foods, so we're going to give this a go and use the whole setup tomorrow. Just give you a quick look at what you get in the box. You get the serving trays here. These are where the food is actually going to go. There's 8 of those because on each one, you're going to use 2 at the same time. Each of the dishes has a cover here, so you're going to be able to attach a handle to each one. It's got a clear piece that you can see through, so you can see the food underneath. That's really cool. And then a handle here to lift the top off. You're going to get 4 of those tops. And then you're going to get all the other hardware that you need to set it up. And this is the rack that has handles on each side, left and right. And then inside those boxes are the sterno holders, where you're going to put the heat that's going to heat up on the bottom of these stainless steel trays to keep everything nice and hot. So let's get to our party and set this up and show you what it looks like. We've got it all set up now. We put 3 of them up, and you can see inside you've got the 2 separate trays on either side. And then you lift these out, and that's where you're going to want to put the water. I put 4 cups of water in each, and that worked just about perfect. Yeah, underneath you've got your sterno. Goes in those containers. It has a nice little handle so you can reach in there when it's hot and move it out and check it. And a cover so you can adjust the heat, because these will boil that water real quick. So you're going to need to adjust the sterno so that you're getting the right amount of temperature to keep it warm, but not to just, boil out all that water. But they look great. Real happy with them. And then storing them wasn't too bad. We got some upper shelves here, and I disassembled them slightly, but just stacked them up, and that was really handy. And overall, really happy with them. We got some catered food coming in, and it's just going to work out great for us. Keep all the food warm. They look nice, real good with the handles and everything on top. Really good quality product. Hey, I hope this is helpful. Have a great day.